Inside your account for the first time, you'll see a banner asking you to create a new AI service. This is where you will actually connect your OpenAI account, so we highly recommend you begin here before doing anything else. You'll need to add 4 things. Name. This is for your reference. You might add multiple versions of ChatGPT, and differentiating between them might be helpful. Service. Here, you'll choose which LLM service you are using. Currently, we have access to OpenAI. Model. Most accounts will only have access to GPT 3.5 initially. And finally, API key. This is found inside the OpenAI platform. To find your OpenAI key, hover over the left side menu and click API keys. Here, you can click Create New Secret Key and name it if you choose. Again, if you're creating multiple keys, a name could be helpful for you to organize them. Once your key is created, it will only be shown to you once, so copy it immediately. Bring that key and enter it into the final field before saving. Your OpenAI account is now integrated.